3, 2, 1.
Who was the first Prime Minister of the UK to be born in Wales? The answer is C. There hasn't been one. Which country is known as the land of the morning calm? The answer is A. Korea. What was Alexander Graham Bell's first successful invention? The answer is B. Airplane. In 1942, during World War II, RMS Laconia was sunk by what type of U-boat? The answer is C. U-156. What was the first programming language created? The answer is B. Fortran. Which mathematical constant starts with pi and represents the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter? The answer is A. Pi. How many children did Carla have by the end of the TV show Cheers? The answer is D. 8. Which of the following is a chemical property of silver? The answer is D. Reacts with nitric acid. What can fill up a room without opening its doors or taking up space? The answer is A. Light. Which show has the most Emmy Awards won? The answer is D. Frasier. A student is investigating the properties of a mineral. The student tests the mineral by putting it under an ultraviolet light. Which property of the mineral can be identified using this test? The answer is D. Fluorescence. Two chemicals are mixed in a test tube and a chemical reaction takes place. If this reaction is endothermic and the test tube is touched, which of the following best describes what is felt? The answer is A. The test tube is cold. In vertebrates, a system of what structures attached to the endoskeleton enables movement? The answer is C. Muscles. What is the primary function of a fuse in an electronic circuit? The answer is D. Overcurrent protection. What is the name of the popular harvest festival celebrated in China close to the autumnal equinox? The answer is D. Moon Festival. A warm air heating system uses what kind of energy to heat air? The answer is D. Thermal. What is the type of succession that happens after the destruction of a habitat? The answer is B. Secondary succession. Who played the role of Archie Bunker on 1970s CBS sitcom, All in the Family? The answer is C. Carroll O'Connor. In the movie The Lost Boys, the main characters move to which small coastal town in California? The answer is D. Santa Carla. Who was the Mayan god of maize and crops? The answer is A. Quetzalcoatl. What are ionic compounds that produce hydroxide ions when dissolved in water? The answer is D. Bases. What's large, holds a mirror, and is used to groom? The answer is B. Vanity. What is the name of the sitcom featuring an alien family? The answer is B. My Favorite Martian. What does an ammeter measure the flow of? The answer is B. Current through a circuit. Which range of the pH scale would most likely include acid rain? The answer is A. 4-6. Which is the highest peak of the Andes? The answer is B. Ojos del Salado. Which part of a pond ecosystem gives small fish shelter? The answer is A. Rocks. What is the process by which an embryo develops inside its mother called? The answer is B. Gestation. What unit follows minutes in measuring time? The answer is A. Hours. Where is the sitcom House of Pain set? The answer is A. Atlanta, Georgia. Which structure was the world's tallest until the completion of the Eiffel Tower? The answer is C. Leaning Tower of Pisa. In what year did Blackbeard die? The answer is C. 1718. Which setting would photographers adjust to prevent fast-moving targets becoming blurred? The answer is D. Shutter speed. What is the type of energy that involves movement? The answer is D. Mechanical energy. Which psychologist is known for his work on self-fulfilling prophecies? The answer is C. Robert Rosenthal. The electromagnetic spectrum represents the full range of frequency of what type of wave? The answer is D. Electromagnetic. Which type of tissue functions to move the bones? The answer is C. Muscle. What song was played in the Full House series after Jesse got a phone call from the girls while he was gone skiing? The answer is C. Baby Love. What music instrument did Vanessa Williams learn to play when she was growing up? The answer is D. Piano. What type of mammals are characterized by detailed development of the hands and feet, a shortened snout, and a large brain? The answer is C. Primates. In the healthcare episode of the show The Office, Jim and Pam make up diseases. Which is one of the ones they don't make up? The answer is A. Ham fingers. What does the word dos mean in Spanish? The answer is B. 2. Which carbohydrates can be classified in terms of chain length? The answer is B. Simple. What is the primary power source for most modern portable devices? The answer is B. Battery. Birds evolved from what type of ancestor? The answer is D. Reptile. x2 plus y2 equals r2 is which equation? The answer is D. The equation of a circle. The only desert in the world with sand dunes that extend up a mountain is the Thar Desert in which mountain range? The answer is D. Caucasus. In which novel does Sherlock Holmes live? The answer is D. Murder on the Orient Express. Which river does the city of Rome lie on? The answer is B. River Tiber. Which piece of equipment is used to measure the distance in golf?